What's up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel and to another sick little video put together by your boy Blake Bass. You guys, I know you're probably like, what the heck is there gonna be Lambos in this video? You was just seen having a little food vlog. No, we are not actually. None of that's gonna be in this video. I just picked up the camera the other day. Well, my homie hit me up and was like, hey, you want to go drive this Lamborghini? So I was like, dude, is that even a question? Yeah. So shout out to my homie Dakota. You're going to be seeing a lot more of him in our videos as well. A lot of badass supercars, McLarens, Lambos, G-Wagons, all sorts of stuff. Y'all clicked on this video is probably not for this, but we're going to get into it anyways. We got to figure out what the heck we're going to do with all of this freaking camping stuff. By the time you guys are watching this video, Justine and I are on a 6 to 7 hour drive up to, I'm not even gonna say, you're just gonna have to wait for next Friday to check out that video, you guys. But oh man, it's starting to rain. We gotta figure out what we're gonna do, because all I'm telling you is we are gonna get there 7 hours, freaking hike 2 miles. We weren't prepared for this at all. It's okay though, it's not really a hike at all. It's like a little freaking trail. It's nothing intense or crazy. So I picked up this sick wagon, and obviously my camping green thing cannot fit in it. So we're gonna take all the stuff out of here, figure out what the heck we're gonna do with it. And it is raining, so let's get started. Ran into a little bit of a problem off camera, you guys. So we have this big 55-gallon lifetime cooler, right? They say this thing holds ice for like 5-6 days or more. I was like, you know, I want to take this, so I'm good. I'm on the safe side. None of my food's going bad. My drinks are cold. We're chilling, you know. Problem is, this wagon isn't that big. When I put this nice freaking cooler in here, you only have this much room left, right? You don't have anything on the back area, nothing. So I guess I'm gonna have to end up going with this cooler that my dad and I been using for like, dude, this cooler is like old, super old. We used to take this cooler down to the beach like every weekend, every day when we go surf. But I also got my camping charcoal grill right back here. It folds up, folds down, super easy to clean and all that. So I guess we're gonna end up having to go with this setup, you guys. I don't know, we gotta keep figuring some stuff out. By the way, you know, the garage is still looking like a mess, but we just got that white shelf back there hung up today. So this will all be gone hopefully by next month. Getting to the back, you guys. So this was our setup that we had for the camping trip. We got our lights, we got our air mattress, we got our tent, we had a whole bunch of kitchenware and stuff underneath the tent. Well, it looks like I'm gonna have to try and fit everything in this like military bag that you can also carry or use as a backpack. So either Justine and I will carry that, and then we'll have, or we can just like, you know, ratchet strap it or freaking bungee strap it down to that bad boy right there. But all right, let's roll a time lapse and get on this. That's everything we needed out of that green box, you guys, and pretty much just gonna wrap up the video right here. We just need to put our tent, bungee strap it down to the cooler, trying to minimize what we bring, because I also am bringing my cameras, my drones, all my stuff with us, because I want to make some epic videos for you guys. I want to make a little camping travel video too. I got a bunch of stuff planned. I mean, we're gonna be there for like 3-4 days, so want to do something. I think we're gonna be mainly in the desert. Not really sure, haven't really looked into it much, but going with the flow. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Go give it a like if you enjoyed it. Go smash that subscribe button over there. Watch one of those 2 videos, and we'll see you guys next Friday. Peace.